Hello folks, welcome to WM Originals. Myself Akhil back with another video. Today teaming up with TenorShare to present you PassFab for Excel, which is one of the best Microsoft Excel password or restrictions remover available. A straightforward and powerful Microsoft Excel password breaker. So if you want to recover or remove forgotten password for encrypted workbook and spreadsheet without damaging original data, watch this video full and know how to break Microsoft Excel password in minutes. If you are new to WM Originals and have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now for more such videos. I am also running few giveaways, check video description for the same. Also to get a 30% discount on PassFab for Excel. There will be a coupon shared in this video, so watch this video full and get that coupon for you. PassFab for Excel is optimized for 3 intelligent attack types. This Excel password recovery tool can easily recover lost opening password in Excel workbook regardless of password complexity. We'll share more details on the same later. PassFab for Excel password remover is so simple and fast. It can help and remove password to Unprotect workbook or sheet. It can also remove password to modify or read-only restrictions. Follow 3 steps to Unprotect Excel spreadsheet. Step 1. Import locked Excel file. Step 2. Select password attack mode. Step 3. Get Excel password back. Let me show you how to unprotect Excel spreadsheet in minutes. Click on Start and open PassFab for Excel. Now here is user interface for the same, which is clean and simple. Just select type of restriction and follow instructions. I have a Excel document which is password protected to open. Can't open it without password. Coming back to PassFab for Excel, I will select Recover Excel Open Password. Now from here click to Import Excel file. Importing file which has password protection for open. Here it mentions file type Excel 2010, protection open password and password as unknown. We have 3 methods by which we can gain access to Excel file and recover password. Dictionary attack. This attack is highly recommended if so the scope is largely narrowed down with high efficiency. The second one is brute force with mask attack. Use this attack if you remember your password range and length. And the last one is brute force attack. Try all combination of password if you can't remember anything about the password. Let's select the first one, dictionary attack, and click on recover. Thereafter it starts process and comes up with password in seconds. So fast and efficient way to recover Excel password. Copy the password and click on OK. Thereafter let's open file and check if password works for the same or not. Pressed Ctrl+V and clicked on open file. Wow, file opens up and we have the password for this protected file. It's really simple and fast to recover Excel password. I will recommend you to go ahead and try out PassFab for Excel. Now let's visit official website. From here you can download or click on buy now to know about the pricing of the same. As with other PassFab products, PassFab for Excel also comes with 30-day money back guarantee, free customer support, lifetime free updates and unlimited Excel file recovery. You can check and buy 1 month, 1 year or lifetime license as per your preference. I will suggest you go ahead with lifetime license and you can also get a special 30% discount if you found the code in the video. So watch the video carefully to get 30% discount coupon code. Now during checkout just click on buy now and then click on redeem coupon. Enter the code and click on update to get 30% discount. See, you have the discount and go ahead with purchase. Links for the same are shared in description and pinned comment. This is what I had in this video. Once again, thanks to TenorShare for sponsoring today's video. If you are new to WM Originals, subscribe to my channel. Also, if you found this video useful, do hit like button and share it with others. Do follow WM Originals on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. This is Akhil saying goodbye for now. See you all in next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.